We're Nium, a team of nanoscientists, entrepreneurs and engineers, united by a burning passion to put out the fires of fossil fuels. We believe that ammonia, the smelly chemical that saved us a century ago, can save us again today. To set the scene, let's rewind to 1860. There were 2 billion of us. We were getting worried. The world's pantry was dwindling. Nitrogen-depleted soils turned to dust. Thousands died over bird droppings as we fought for nitrogen-rich fertilizer. Enter Fritz Haber. Fritz invented a way to take nitrogen from air and put it back into soil, ammonia. Before the internet, before antibiotics, Haber's process defined the 20th century. It was like alchemy. People hailed it bred from air. Ammonia-based fertilizers doubled food production and led to a population explosion. But our ammonia miracle hid a dirty fossil fuel secret. Today, ammonia releases more carbon dioxide than the entire UK, 450 megatons every year. It's less bread from air, more bread from fire. Now we find ourselves at another worrying point in history. Today, there are 8 billion mouths to feed, and CO2 levels are rising. Nium was founded to eliminate emissions and put the fires out. We turned to our old friend ammonia. In 2019, our scientist, Dr. Nium, made a breakthrough, a new clean way to make ammonia. A tiny nano-catalyst housed in a small reactor. The mighty minion, hydrogen from water, nitrogen from air, ammonia without the fossil fuels. That's right, this little guy is powered by renewables. It's innovation born out of necessity, ammonia at a fraction of the price and pollution of Haber's century-old process. Green ammonia is an effective hydrogen energy carrier and a front-runner for carbonless shipping fuel. The mighty minion means green ammonia, on demand, saving us today as it did a century ago.